So a lot of folks get confused. There's so much that happens when you're going into a transaction. There's contracts, there's inspections, there's paperwork flying across the table. But what really happens the day of closing? I get that question all the time. Hey, I'm Leon with the Lending Group. I've been in business since 2002, and I'm, of course, a loan officer. Generally speaking, if we're talking about the day of closing, that usually means that your loan, your mortgage is clear to close, everything is scheduled. Most of the time, you'll see the seller across the table, right? You'll see your realtors sitting around the table. If there's an attorney required, then there may be an attorney present. The day before, you're going to do a final walkthrough. You should do a final walkthrough of the property to make sure that it's in the same condition as was presented to you when you were going under contract. Your sellers might be moving out and they might scuff a wall here or there. Walk through the property, make sure that you're satisfied with the condition. Talk to your loan officer, figure out how much money you're bringing, right? At this point, you should have an exact amount to the penny that you're bringing to the table. Believe it or not, I've had people ask me, well, how do I bring them? Can I bring cash? No, you cannot bring cash. You're going to need to bring either certified funds or you're going to send a wire to your title company. And if you are doing that, make sure you call the title company prior to sending the wire and confirm the wiring instructions. We want to make sure that you're actually sending the wire to the title company, not someone else's account, God forbid. When you get there, it's all fairly simple. There's usually either an attorney or a notary present. They're going to verify your ID. They're going to verify that you have the certified funds present, and you're just going to sign a big stack of paperwork. I couldn't tell you how many pages because it's ever changing. Every lender, every bank, every institution, every loan program, they all have a different amount or a different set of paperwork. So it's always different. And then once you're signed off and once the seller signed, you're going to get your keys and that's it. It sounds fairly simple. Usually takes about an hour and that's it. I think for most folks, it's just the emotion of it, of buying a home, or the emotion of spending so much money is that it seems like such a big deal, but really it only takes about an hour. It's fairly painless. If you have more questions about what happens the day of closing, you can contact me here at the Find My Way Home Network.